Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Messenger. To do this, firstly, go to the Messenger app. Once the app is opened, tap on the three lines which are located on the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, a bar opens up from the left side of your screen. On the top right corner of the bar, there is a settings icon. Tap on that. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on See More in Account Center, which is highlighted in blue. Once the Account Center opens up, tap on Password and Security. Again, once this loads, tap on where you're logged in. Then, tap on the account you want to log out from. Then, tap on Select Devices to log out, which is highlighted in red and located below. Then, select the devices you want to log out from. Then, you may tap on Logout. You may also sign out of every device that you're logged in from. To do this, you may tap on Select All and then tap on Logout. When you tap on Logout, Facebook sends you a notification for your confirmation that you want to log out. Tap on Logout to proceed. This is how you can easily log out of Messenger. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.